My name is Amanda Barroso. I'm from Miami, Florida, and I'm Cuban American. I did my bachelor's degree in Florida International University in geosciences with a concentration in atmospheric science. Now I'm a PhD student at University of Central Florida in Orlando, doing my research in civil engineering and water resources at the Coastal Risks and Engineering Lab. Currently, I'm researching on a project with the NASA Sea Level Change Science team, where we're understanding the future and the past of contributions of coastal sea level extremes. And my role in this is to study the seasonal cycle of sea level. So whether the high and low patterns of sea level at the coasts happen at the same time as a hurricane season in a region or into storm seasons, because finding out the timing of this helps us see whether flooding in an area can be worse or less severe than expected. When I started my graduate academic career, I wish I would have known that it actually involves a lot of creativity, because scientific research doesn't always mean you'll have to tackle the problem in one definitive way. You have to get creative in what approaches you use as new questions arise. What's most exciting about my research is that I get to investigate the different sea level patterns around the world and at different coasts. So I get to see why some areas flood and others don't, and what contributes to that. So being from Miami, it's very relevant for me, seeing how that area can have sunny day flooding or during hurricanes. And with my research, I get to understand what contributes to that. If I wasn't a researcher, I would probably be a children's piano teacher, because I love music and I love being able to share my knowledge and seeing that develop in a child as they grow. In my free time, I like to go to the beach, I like to go scuba diving, and I love to dance salsa. I like working at the CoRE lab at UCF because I'm surrounded by people, students, and researchers that have very strong skill sets and backgrounds, so I always have an opportunity to learn.